Hi friends, I'm Dofu. Today is World Peace Day. Before we see how people celebrate, let's learn some peace words together. Peaceful, quiet and calm, with no fighting or war. A peaceful forest with birds singing. Unity, being together as one group or family. Unity helps a team stay strong and win together. Respect, being polite and kind to others. We show respect to our teacher by listening carefully. Kindness, doing good things and helping others. We show kindness by cleaning the beach to keep our world clean. Love, caring a lot about someone or something. A hug is a sweet way to show love to teachers. How people celebrate World Peace Day. Children celebrate peace by folding colorful paper cranes and wishing for a better world. People sing together with happy voices to share peace and joy. People join dance festivals, moving with smiles and friendship. Kids draw doves, rainbows, and bright pictures to show their love for peace.